Hello viewers, welcome back at Dr. AMIT. So viewers, today I am going to show you how to create this type of amazing design with AI from your Android phone. So you create this type of amazing design without any apps, just use Chrome browser from your phone. So to create this design, first you need this browser like Chrome browser. So first of all, you have to open this Chrome browser. So after opening this browser, you type here address bar from search or type URL. Just click here search or type URL, then write Bing image creator. So just write it Bing image creator. So after write that, you have to click go or enter button from your keyboard. So after that, you see this type of interface. So then you must click this side Bing image creator from Microsoft Design. Just click here. Just click Bing image creator from Microsoft. So after clicking that, you see this interface. So then you have to click join or create here. So just click join or create. So viewers, this is important that to create this design you have to create an account in Microsoft. For create Microsoft account, you must have a phone number or an email address or a Gmail or a Skype ID. So to create this Microsoft account, you use your Gmail ID. So just input your Gmail or email ID. Just write here. So I use my Gmail ID. So after input after input your Gmail ID, so please input your ID, then create one. Just click create one. So you have to click create one, this option. So I am clicking. So just input your email or Gmail address again. So I input my Gmail address again. So after input your Gmail address or mail address or Skype ID or your phone number, then click next option. So just click next. So after clicking this, you have to use your name. So I use my name. So you can use your last name and first name. So then click in next. So then input your nationality. So I input my nationalities. So then input your birth. So I input my birth. So after input your birthday, then click next. So then if you see this interface, just verify your email address. So go to your mail address and collect the code. So I go to my mail address. So I already opened my mail from Microsoft. Just verify your mail. Then you have to collect this code as immediately. So just copy the code and go to your Chrome browser. So then enter code here. Just paste it. You can do this just within 1 minute. So you can do this as soon as possible, and then click next option. So viewers, in this session you have to prove that you are not a robot. So to pass this step, you have to click the next option. Then you have to pass this session just like this direction, and I told you that you read this direction read this direction carefully. Use arrow to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. So you see this direction in the forward, and this also correct like this direction. So you have to direction until you read this terms and condition carefully, then you like do this direction. So then I click. So I think this is the same direction of same direction. So when both direction are same, then click submit, then click submit option. So one step is done, then complete your second step, down direction. So click the arrow for the same direction. So I think this direction and this direction is same. So after same, you have to click submit another. So your 2 step is done. Last third step. So this direction you have to same this direction. So just click here. So I think this and this are same direction. So then you have to see submit option. So all our options are complete, and my verification is also complete. After this verification, you have to successfully create your Microsoft account. So after creating this account, you are use this website to create this type of AI design. So just now click join and create this option. So when you see this interface, so you click this 3 dot option, then you can see your name with your Gmail address. So then you are successfully creating this website. So after successful create your Microsoft account, you have to click join and create this option. Just click here, and finally you are find this option that you create this amazing design. So I declare you very clearly that what type of design you want. Just type a prompt text here. So what type of design, just type your what do you want, what type of design do you need. Just write here prompt text. You need to prompt text here. So viewers, you write your prompt text right here. Just what type of design you want, just type. So already if you want to design as like me, just type here a prompt text. Already I type here. So just you type here this text. So here top of a diary. So I design a name of the top of a diary, whose name is Rulia. So this is your main design, name design. And after your name, so just close this comma option and close this comma. So just you input your name, and input your name with your comma, and I think as a colon, apostrophe comma, and you also this comma both your name. So just use like this, input your name like this. If you sense this design your sense, so then you write others details of your design. Just realistic, the golden color, and red rose pen, some sign of pens. So this is the description of your design, the what design you need. So just input here. So after input this text, so I write this text in my video description box. If you please check my video description box, you find this text. Just copy that text and paste here, or see this text. Just write like me. Just write like me. Then click the create option. So just wait 30 to 40 seconds for create this design, and you will see the final result after 30 seconds. Just wait. So finally you see this design, your name, your text on top of diary, and finally you see this design. Just click the design. To download this design, so just hold of the design and then click download image for download this image. So viewers, I saw you the design, second design. So viewers, now I am going to show you the second design like this. So you can sense this prompt just like if you write here top of 3D glass. So if you like this top of 3D glass with your name, so just like another design you create. So others details are same. So I click the create option to design a 3D glass. So just wait again 30 seconds. So just wait and you will see the final design. So like glass, 3D glass. So you create this amazing design with your phone. Just just write this type of prompt to just you follow this text and just change your name here. Just change your name here, and this design your unique for every time. So you can get reward every 24 hours, 15 rewards. You can use 15 times in 24 hours. After again 24 hours you reward 15 rewards to design free. So just click this design and just hold and click download image. Just find this download image. So viewers, hope you are understand that create this type of design. So if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and like and comment my videos.